No guys, actually, I just had to end the other video just because my dad literally hates me and we are so high up in there. Oh, and we're going so far up. No, actually, there's actually, wait, what? Someone drowned a willy. Who actually drowned a willy? Look, someone actually drowned a willy. What? No, actually, it's so creepy. What the hell is that? No, actually, Dad, it's actually giving me the freaks.
Is it?
Yeah. We actually just heard a noise. Save yourself. Save yourself. What the hell? No, actually, look. It actually says, save yourself. What the hell? I don't know. No, actually. Ooh. And we just made ourselves outside. No, Dad. Yeah, I can't even see you.
Should we go back?
Yeah. I'm just going to explore more of it. What's that?
What's that?
I don't know, Dad.
You want to go back?
Yeah.
Come on then.
But I'm actually scared.
Oh yeah.
What's that?
No.
No, guys. I'm actually going to have nightmares. Look, there's William balls. Look, there's actually William balls.
Go.
There's balls and Willie. Dad, no, don't leave me behind.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are. And guys, I'm gonna hide. Guys. No, actually, it's so creepy. Wait. Did we go there? Oh, wait, no, come. I'm exploring more. No. Guys, I'm going in the most abandoned place. The most abandoned. I'll show you, but like it's still upstairs. Wait, someone barricaded it. Decky Haddon. What's Haddon? Oh, jeez, why is it so heavy? Oh, handprints. No, come. No, you have to come. Look, blood. No, that's actually blood. Look. Actually, look. That's actually blood.
Let's go.
No.
Yeah.
Wait. Don't mess with
Yeah, let's not read that. Let's go.
Decky G. You Sam Shank.
Come on.
Shank your man. Nan.
Come on.
Nan. What?
Come on.
What is that?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, that's cool. No, come. That. No. Jeez, what?
We'll just move to the top. Come on.
No, I'm just gonna explore more.
Stop showing that.
No. Dad, no. Ooh.
No, let's
No,
go.
Dad. Cool. Who put poo on the wall? Buzz. Wait, there's someone here. Brad. Wait.
That's the end soon.
Brad, invisible Brad. What? No. It's 4A9. Wait, no, guys. Actual blood. And Brad, 2023. This was in 2023. the... Wait, no.
You shouldn't be reading these.
Come on. Damn, still making me more scared. I wonder what's in there.
Monsters.
No. Save yourself. We hadn't gone in here. Oh wait, yeah we did. Like, save yourself. Oh, guys. Guys, wait, I'm just gonna... Jeez, it's a good view out here. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna go there. Yeah. Wait, what if that place is abandoned? Wait, no. I know where that goes. You know, the place which we go to school. You know that green door? Yeah, we're going to the most abandoned place, which no one ever goes now. Now. And yeah, I'm just zooming. No, actually, guys. You guys. Shh. Jane Ism. What kind of name is that? No, guys. Look. Putting more poo on the walls. There's more writing, but I can't even read that. Anyway, we are going down. Oh, jeez, no, actually. Wait, there's someone under the stairs, but like it's a year. It's a year. Yeah. 1910. Ooh. Maybe 1910 was when Wilco was built. No, actually, I think we're not actually supposed to be here. Push party open. Wait, I want to show you something. No, come back. Look at Plankton. Look at Plankton. Look how nice smoking. No, actually. No, Dad. Alright, we're ending it.